Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Cognizant interview experience, and we have my two friends Rahul Pandey and Keshav Kumar Chauhan, and they are selected in Cognizant this year. So about Keshav Kumar is selected in multiple MNC, namely Accenture, Wipro, Cognizant, TCS. While talking about Rahul Pandey, Rahul is selected in two companies, TCS and Cognizant, and they are going to help us. They are going to help juniors, especially to they are going to explain how the whole process is going. And while talking about another host, Rahul Mayank Kumar Jha is another host, and he is talking about he will ask questions. Okay, and Mayank Kumar Jha is selected in DXC company, which is multinational company. So we will start our session. So my first question is Keshav. Uh,
Yes,
we we all know we are facing a big crisis. We are facing a big problem with Corona. So is Corona is going to what affect all these campus this year?
yes. Talking about the campus placement success, I think Corona is going to play a major role this year. I think it is going to impact on a large scale,
Okay.
especially the companies like TCS, Wipro, and HCL. Mainly the major Indian companies that have their businesses and that are dependent on outsourcing and IT services. Uh, they are going to face a lot of trouble. That's why I
Okay.
think they are going to hesitate in making a lot of offers to students. They are going to make offers, but I think the offers will be in limited amount.
Okay. You mean the number of hire is going to decrease?
I think so.
Okay, so while talking about cognizant return patterns, because most of us have question that how is return pattern, what are the questions they ask, and so what is the return pattern of cognizant?
Actually, as you also know, the cognizant test pattern is conducted on the MCAT platform, and
Okay,
it basically consists of four sections. The first section is quantitative aptitude. The second is the logical reasoning. The third is the verbal ability section, and the fourth is the automata fix. Quantitative aptitude section consists of 16 questions. Logical reasoning has 24 questions. Verbal ability section has 22, while the automata fixation question has 7 questions. And the time allotted are approximately 2 hours. You get approximately uh, 20 minutes per section.
okay. It means the time allotted to each section is fixed. It
Each
means
section where is
okay. Okay,
the
go on, go on.
section the time allotted to each section varies,
Okay,
but
okay,
it is fixed. Once you have completed a particular section, only then you can jump onto the next section.
okay. It means okay. After switching one section, you cannot revert back. Okay,
No, 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 no.
okay. But
And the same goes for the questions as well. Only when you have completed a particular question, only then you can move on to the next question. You cannot go forward and backward.
Okay, it means
Yeah.
if you have completed fifth number question, then only you will proceed sixth number question. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
okay, and if you move to sixth question, you cannot come to four or three, or
No,
anywhere,
no,
na?
no, no, no. You
Okay,
can't you can't jump from one question to another question unless you have completed that question.
okay, it means this is very important. Okay,
Yes. Time
Mm,
management is also quite crucial in this test actually.
okay, okay. So Rahul Pandey. So my
Yes.
next question is, what is the sectional cutoff? Is there sectional cutoff for written patterns?
Yeah. It's all depend on the toughness of the paper.
Okay,
Because if the that test will be hard, then the cutoff will be low, and if it is easy, then then their cutoff will be high.
okay,
And
okay.
it also depend on the company who that how many students that he wants to
Okay,
hire.
if they are going to select a huge number, good number, then cutoff may be low, and
Yeah,
if
yeah.
they are going to decrease number, like if we are not interested in numbers, then they will set a height cutoff. Okay,
High cutoff. Yes.
okay, okay. So mine.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So first of all, I congratulate both of you because you are selected in multiple companies.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Mike.
Okay. So my question is you to Rahul that
Yeah.
what is your automata fix round in Cognient?
It is basically to find the error in the question, that you have to give a function that there are some line is missing there, or there is some problem in that question, that you have to find that bug in that question. Like there is a question of a prime number function. You have to there is some minor mistake in that question. You have to find that. Like there are 7 questions in Cognient test in automata fix.
Okay. From which programming language can we solve these type of questions?
I think there are 3: C, C++, or Java. You can choose one of them, and if you choose one of them, I think you can't change that in that
Okay.
question.
Python is there or not?
I think.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt, but Python is not there. Only 3 languages are supported: C, C++, and Java.
But
There is
we
no
don't-
Python.
But
My voice is
but I
coming?
think yes, you are audible.
I think there is a blank in my video.
Okay,
Something.
no problem. No problem. No problem.
Okay.
Go on,
Okay.
Rahul.
Okay. I think there is no Python language in that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So what is the level of question? Means it is easy or high?
No, it's not easy. Some question are easy, some are intermediate, and some question are hard. It's all depend on how well you prepared.
Okay. So my question is you to Keshav. From where we can practice this type of question?
You can practice these type of questions from various portals where there are multiple questions given from the aptitude section and the logical reasoning section as well. For example, you can practice multiple sets on Geek for Geeks, and you can also practice from Brainly, IndiaBakes, and several other websites, or you can buy any particular course from several websites such as FacePrep and Company Prep. These are multiple websites that give you a package in which there will be a number of sets for you to practice, and you can sharpen your skills by practicing these questions.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there any sectional cutoff in automata fix?
No, there are no sectional cutoffs. As far as I am concerned, there are no particular sectional cutoffs.
But they may be.
There may be.
Yeah.
Us students don't get to know these things. They are only.
Okay.
Hello?
So yes. So
They are only limited to the knowledge of the company and our
Okay,
TNP
okay.
department.
Okay. So once this, I think we have covered all the aspects of written patterns. Okay. And can you mention one website or 2 website from where they can reach to questions like automata fixation or the aptitude? Because there are so many websites, and I don't think each website is very suitable for preparation. So can you recommend any one or 2 websites? Yes, Kesav.
I think you can practice a lot of questions or Geek for. I think you can practice a lot of questions on Geek for Geeks when it comes to aptitude section, and when it comes to the MCAT automata fixation question, you can practice the previous MCAT test papers, and in which there are a lot of questions given for you to practice, and most of the questions that are asked in the test basically come from that only.
Okay, okay.
You can also watch videos of. You can also watch videos to practice the aptitude section from YouTube. There are a lot of teachers there who teach on free.
Okay, okay. So this is all about the written pattern. Anything you want to add, Rahul?
Yeah. I want to say that our TNP department that is in LN City also provide a
Yes.
portal. From
Okay.
there, you can also learn or practice our aptitude section or verbal section.
Okay, okay.
That's I want to say.
Okay, okay. This is all about the written patterns. So
Yeah.
once I have cleared the written, then what happened next?
Once you have cleared the written section and you are selected for the interview round, then you basically have to face 2 interview rounds. The first one is the technical interview section, and the second round is the HR or the managerial section.
Okay, okay. So, what is technical interview and what questions? I want to ask what how should one prepare for technical interview for Cognizant especially?
Are you asking me?
Yes, yes. You can answer
Okay.
both. You can answer. I think you are both qualified for this.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, okay. No
we
problem.
get hesitated because we don't know who you asking.
No,
That's
no.
why.
This is not India conclave. So you can answer.
Yeah, okay,
Okay, my friend. No problem. No problem.
Mm.
okay, okay.
The technical interview is, I think, depends on the branch where you come from. For example, when it comes to the CS or the IT background,
Okay.
the interview is, I think, quite good. It's not easy to crack the interview. The
Okay.
level is quite good, and
Okay.
there are multiple subjects that are asked in these interviews. For example, you have to be quite good in DBMS, algorithms, data structures, your subjects such as computer networks,
Yes. Yes.
and your programming,
Okay.
and the programming one of the programming languages in which you are most comfortable.
Okay.
Okay. So Rahul,
Yeah.
what is the role of project in interview?
It's a very important thing that when you face a technical interview, they will ask you about your project, and you have and if you are from CS background, then you have minimum of 3 or 4 project you have worked in 3 or 4 years. I have also done 3 or 4 projects, and they asked me about one of the project, and I explained it, and they feel nice that you have done that project.
Okay.
Okay. So from which type of project can we make?
It's all depend on you. In which language do you want to prefer, and which language is your good? Like me, when I was in college, my favorite language is Java. That's why I make a project in Java, and I also make a project of like a web application, like by using MySQL PHP.
Okay. So okay, so you are saying, yeah, in technical interview they are asking more, they are focused more on DVMS, data structure and algorithm. So being a EC branch or non IT, like if I am from mechanical or civil and I have desired to select it in Cognizant, then what are the things that I should do?
I mentioned all these subjects regarding the CS or the IT background. When it comes to the different other backgrounds such as mechanical or civil, then you don't need to know that much. You should at least know one of the language such as C or C++, and you should know to how to code in that particular language, and you should also have a good understanding of your own branch papers, branch
Okay,
subjects.
this is important. Okay.
Yeah, that is quite important because they might ask you question from your own branch as well.
Okay, if I am from electrical branch, then they may ask from my branch. Okay.
Yes, and if
Okay.
you have mentioned your electrical project in your resume, then they are going to ask from that also.
So
Okay. So they ask basic questions or some difficult questions related to their background. Means if anyone is if anyone is from electronics, so interviewer is asked hard questions or easy questions.
No, no, the questions I think is average. Not that the questions are never that hard. It is quite easy to average or moderate, you can say. They just need to check whether you are knowing the simple things or not.
Okay, so
They
some
ju-
basic they were
they are
asked.
just checking your basic understanding of your branch.
Okay.
so one my okay, moving to Rahul. Rahul, tell me the HR round. What is HR round and what are the questions they ask?
uh, it is basically for checking your communication skill, that how good your communication skill, and they do not ask a question like technical.
Okay.
They make you feel comfortable, and they ask a question about your geolocation, that do you want to relocate, like question. And it's easy. If your communication skill is good, then you will clear that round.
Okay, it means this is a formal conversation between one
Yeah,
to
yeah,
one.
it make you relax, and it's
Okay.
easy, I think.
Okay, okay. It means if you have cleared the written test and if you selected in TR, technical interview, I mean, then it is. I'm not saying 100%, but it is 99% that you are going to select it.
Yeah, make sure your communication skill is good, because
Okay,
it matters.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, so how long is going on? Technical plus HR?
It basically depends on person to person and the interviewer as well. Some of the students mm, have to are asked for about only 15 to 20 minutes, and while some of the students are also asked questions for an hour long also. It basically depends on the student and the interviewer.
Okay.
Okay.
Rahul, tell us something about your training at Cognizant Bangalore.
It's very good that Cognizant provide us training before our graduation, and
Okay,
because
okay,
from that we learn various things, that how the life is going in corporate life. Because we are here in our college, and we learn various things that in our corporate, like how's the time is going, how much time we have to spend, what are the things that we have to do in our corporate life. That really nice thing, that we have to learn that how we are suitable in our corporate life or not.
okay. Rahul, sorry, Keshav, one question is
Yes.
how you are motivated during your placement days. I mean, there are various students who are not good at. I think they are not good at technical and they are not good at apti, and they are working on it. I know they are all are working on their by on what I think ability or capability. So, what are the motivation that you should that one should pick to get selected in Cognizant or any of companies?
Harshit, I think the main motivation comes from the family. Family motivates you a lot.
Okay,
Also, uh, you need to keep on working harder and harder day by day. You need to practice a lot. Even if you are not selected in one of those companies that are coming in the college in the starting phase, you don't need to worry a lot. You just need to sharpen your skill, practice a lot, and keep faith in yourself and your abilities. That is the
okay,
main thing. You need to have confidence in you that yes, you can crack those companies, and you will
crack it.
eventually get a good. Eventually, you are going to crack it. Yes.
Okay. So, any question, Meg?
Okay. Yes. Okay, so my question is from Kesav, that you are selected in multiple company. So
Yes.
the similarity between this type of company when once you go to the recruitment. So what is the similarity between these companies?
Okay, this is very
Are you
nice.
talk? Are you talking about the selection process or the working
Yeah.
environment?
No, no, no. I'm telling about the selection process.
Basically, the
No,
selection process is
he is asking one second, Kesav. He is asking like if Cognizant, CTS, TCS, Wipro, Infosys, and I would say HCL, Capgemini, what is Accenture, they are all are service based company, and they
yes.
are all they all, I think the question patterns, the interview level is almost same for all these companies. So he's asking if I'm not selected in one company, then
No, no, no,
what
no.
I have to change my what strategy, or I have to continue on my strategy if I'm
No, no. You just need to practice more and more,
okay,
because the test pattern is almost same for all of these companies. There will be a written round, there will be a technical round, and there will be an HR round. There might be a case where they don't have a technical round for some students, or in some of the cases, for example, in Accenture, they didn't have a technical round for the off-campus students. Okay, they only had an HR round. So
okay,
there are these cases might arise where some of these companies don't take a technical round, but it is going to be qu- it will be quite useful for you if you keep on working hard and practice your skills and don't lose hope. Even if you are not selected in the first company. You just need to have focus on your skills and keep practicing hard.
Okay, so Rahul, you are going for training. So what is your experience regarding your training?
That I already said to Harshit, but I also want to say that it's a quite wonderful experience that we get training in the Cognizant that gives you how the working environment in that corporate life and how the life is different from our college life.
Okay.
Okay. So
So
Kesav, what is the environment of Cognient?
I think the environment there is quite friendly and the atmosphere is quite good. Mm, Most of most of them are working here are professionals. They are quite good in their own field, and they offer a quite of support to the new interns or the uh, associates that are hired as freshers. We get to sharpen our skills in several domains such as Java and several other programming languages such as .NET. There might be some students who are given role as a Python developer.
okay. So one question. If I'm not good in technical and I want to get a job, then I have to complete. I have to study C. C is, I think C is very common for
Yes,
all companies, and C is also very simple. So if I'm working on C and if I'm moving to other language like Java or Python for my development part, and if I make one or two projects based on it, then it is enough, I think, for
yes,
the.
yes. It is quite enough uh, in, for an early bird student or for a fresher. It is quite enough. They
Okay, okay.
when once you go to the company, they will also provide you a good training pattern, and
Mhm,
they will train you quite good.
mhm. Okay, okay. So okay, we have to study C, and if we have time, then we must study C++ plus plus and know the concept of object oriented programming,
Yes,
because
yes, yes,
this is very important, I think. And then we have to make a one or two good projects. Okay, and projects
yes,
can be anything. Usually juniors ask me what type of project I should make. I only say this is not important, the level of your project. The important is the project you are doing, this is your. So if your project, if you are doing a project with your what if your skill sets, then it is good for you, and it is also good during your interviews. You can defend your projects very well.
yes, yes. You are absolutely right.
If you are
Yeah,
installing, if you are taking project, if you are taking projects from someone else, and then you are not defending your projects in interview, then I think this is going to negative impact to interviewer. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
It will have a
because
negative impact.
yes, because I have seen very people that they are not good in technical. They are not so much good in technical, I mean, but they are selected, and they only because they have good logical sense. They are good in puzzles. They are good in basic, and they are selected because they are not.
yes, yes,
These all companies, they are not going to but hire a big
As a developer, yes,
as a developer or big
yes,
computer programmer. But if you are knowing the basic concepts, then I think you are good, and going to select, you are going to select. Okay,
yes,
so
yes,
this is all about the session. We are going to conduct more and more session, and we are going to conduct different interview experiences for different companies, and we will talk. And we have so many friends, and I think we are in good connection of with our friends. And we are so the next what is the next session we are going to conduct? The TCS, I think TCS is a good
Yes,
company, and
we are
they
going.
are.
Yes, we
Yes, yes, man.
conducting for. Yes, we conducting for TCS.
Yeah, you're right, because the TCS Ninja, the Ninja forms are available now. So there are many juniors, or there are many people, they are asking for interview experience, and they are asking for TCS patterns. So we will answer all of them. And what is your take on Rahul? How is our channel, and what are the things that you are going to suggest, or what do you want to say about our channel, and how you are contributing to my channel?
Hello, Harshit. I will
Yes,
tell
yes.
you that this is a good initiative by you, that you make a channel that will help our juniors, that they will know about how the placement is going, how we get motivated from our placement, and also tell him about the placement criteria about various companies like TCS, CTS, or
Yes, yes,
various companies. That
yes,
will
yes.
really help them.
Yes, yes, you are right. Because I think getting placement or getting a job as a fresher is not so much hard, but it
Yeah,
is
yeah,
a smart step. If you are following a smart step, then you are going to select. There
yeah.
is no.
If you guide them, they will really get help from them. Like if you
Yes.
provide them how to get selected in various company, they will know, and they will exactly get placed.
Okay, and what is your take on Kesav, about my channel, and how you are going to contribute? Are you launching some course, or are you going to guide anyone based on any of interview experience or anything?
Whenever you need me, my friend, I am just a one call away.
Okay, okay, that's good.
I
That's
will
good.
help you
Yes.
in all my.
Okay, okay, that's good. This is very good for. This is not very good for me, but this is very good for our fellow juniors, and I think they are going to.
You can also share my contact details with your subscribers or with your juniors, and they can also
Okay,
contact me whatever need they, whatever do they need to know.
okay, okay. I will. So, Mike, anything
No, no,
you
I
want to
think
share? Because
it's
eh,
very long. So I think it's very long.
yes,
So
yes, you are
I
right.
think yes.
Okay. So, thank you guys for being connected, and see you in the next session
Thank,
for TCS. Okay.
thank you. Yeah, yeah.
Okay,
Thank you, Harshit,
thanks a lot,
for
Harshit.
inviting us.
Okay.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Good
guys.
night.